Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to analyze the skill performance. You have seen that we have used the case summarization, we have used the chat assistant, we have used resolution notes, we have used, right? So now, if and KV article generation also we have used. So say, and if you have a need to check how your skills performance is going on, so how to do that. Okay, so before that, let me impersonate some HR agents to generate more data. Okay, so what we can do, we can impersonate Tammy we are already using. Let me use Rosa this time. So Rosa Seed, he's also one of the HR agent. So what I can do, I can open some of the HR cases. Let me open some of the HR cases. Okay, so okay, let me go to the HR case from here. Okay, open it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so what I will do for this record, I will use summarize. This is one of the NowAssist skill. So we have issue, key action taken, resolution, service level agreement. And if I go to total rewards, I can use the summarization again here. And for this record, I will use the close completes. And I will take one closed. Let me apply filter. Active is false. Okay, so I think this is fine. Let me take one record for the KB article generation as well. So this is closed complete. We should see one. Okay, this is closed complete. Maybe for this. Okay, I think for this record we already have HR that KV article available. That could be the reason that, yeah, that was the reason. So here we can see we have create knowledge article, create knowledge UX available. Click on it. Let's select the knowledge base and template, create article, and just draft with NowAssist and submit it. Perfect. Now what we need to do, we will, let me end the impersonation. You know that if we need to analyze some performance, we need to collect that data, right? And in ServiceNow, for that we have some collector jobs, right? So if you type collector jobs, so under performance analytics, not collector, that is collection job. Okay, yes. So under data collector, we have jobs. So if you search by name contains GenAI, you can see we have historical data collection. So we will open this historical data collection one. And yeah, we need to change our scope. Okay, so we have done it relative to 5 date till 0 date, and I will simply say execute job. Okay, now to check the performance of our skill, to analyze it, we need to go to NowAssist admin console. So you can click on overview. So once you go to this overview, if you scroll down to this page in the overview, here you can see that NowAssist summary, and below this you can see skill usage, right? So number of actions are 22 here. So if we click on it, so it only shows the number. Okay, then it shows the average number of unique users per day who triggered action, so which is coming as 1, and number of actions over time. So you can see we have 21 in product, one was from NowAssist panel and 0 from the virtual agent. Okay, so let me refresh it one more time just to say if our job is collecting some data. So these are the pre-configured say reports. So you can see this. Okay, yeah. So you can see the this is how you can see the performance of your skills. Let me also check in analytics what all things are available. So if we go to usage and adoption, yeah, so we can see now assist action taken. Okay, average daily unique users, daily unique user engaging with now assist. Okay, skill group distribution, daily users comparison by workflow. Okay, so we have so which so here you can see that which all skills you can see the skills engagement trend. So we have chat summarization, go with case summarization, resolution notes, kb article, complete record generation, case summarization, ai agent, now system text menu. So this is how you can check the you can get the insight. If I go to the value insights, let me see if it shows any data. Total generated content 0, summary from 1st of March to 13th of March. Okay, yeah, I think this is all about this video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you everyone.